Oh, now it's working. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I need to have my mask on, huh? This. That's what Mr. S told me, but it's fine. This should be fine. Alright. Thank you. Yeah, I know. What's the distance learner? Gianni?
Yeah, Gianni.
Gianni? I wonder if he's here. Gianni is not here. Okay.
He's slow.
Who are we waiting for?
Gavin. Gavin takes a long time in the restroom.
Okay. I'm gonna do math, guys. You guys like math?
I love math. No, not at all. I like math. I only like
Where are the markers?
Mark.
Got it.
A blue one.
A blue one.
No. Gavin's taking probably a long class this time. You're my friend, Randy?
I'm everybody's friend.
Oh, you know everybody. Gavin.
Oh, Gianni is here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Alright, guys. Take a seat. I think, let me see what, 350. I know you're not that far. Where's your last one? There we go. Okay. Okay, turn your books to page 23, guys. 23. We're going over converting measures today. Okay, like feet to inches, yards to miles, miles to yards, okay? So basically there's two rules of conversion, okay? So the first is that when you convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you're going to multiply, okay? So what does that mean? So from yards, when you go yards to feet, you're going to multiply. You get that? So if you go, how many feet are in a yard? 3. 3 feet are in a yard, okay? So if you have 2 yards, right? How many feet do you have? 6 feet, right? How do you figure that out? You multiply. So if you've got 2 yards, okay, and equals to, I guess we'll go feet. Okay? 2 yards, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, right? Okay? So if you have 2 yards, you just multiply, okay? So that's the first rule, right? The second rule is when you convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you divide. So it's the exact opposite, okay? So if you have 6 feet right here, how are you going to find the yards, right? Oh, yeah, go ahead. So if you have 6 feet, how are you going to find the yards? You divide 6 feet by 3, right? And you get 2 yards, okay? Let me see. Let's see. So the steps in solving a simple measurement problem, guys. You're going to use the conversion rules, those 2 conversion rules, okay? So if you go yards to feet, what are you going to do? Yards to feet, which one's bigger, yards or feet? Yards, right? So what are you going to do? You're going to multiply. Okay, if you go inches to feet, what are you going to do? Which one's bigger, inches to feet? Feet. So what are you going to do there? You're going to divide, okay? You guys got it? Gianni, you good? He just said I am, so. We're going to practice that class practice A through F, okay? So A, okay, we just went over it. Feet to inches, what are you going to do? No. You're going to multiply. So for number 1, A, you're going to multiply. Number 1, the section 1, we're going to just put multiply or divide. We got to pick one. What are we going to do? Okay, so A, what are we going to do? Multiply, okay? And why do we want to multiply? Yeah, exactly. You're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, so you want to multiply, okay? B, what do you guys think? B. Years to days. Years to days. Which one's bigger? You're going from years is bigger to days is smaller. So you're going to multiply. You're going to multiply. Good. Let's try C out. Let's try C. You guys tell me. What do you think? Okay. You can go. Go clean that up, yeah. Yeah? You are not going to divide. You're not. I think that's C is pecs to quarts. So pecs is bigger, quarts is smaller. So what are you going to do? Multiply. Okay? You guys got it? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Well, go ahead. Do D. D is divide. What's that? Cups to pints. What's bigger? Pints is bigger than cups. So you're going from a smaller to a larger. So you divide. Okay? What about E? What about E, guys? Hours to days. You are going to divide. Okay? You're going smaller to bigger. You guys got it? Okay, last one. Last one for number 1, section 1, okay? Miles to yards. Miles to yards. What are you going to do? What do you think? What do you think? You're going to multiply. You're going to multiply. Miles is larger than yards, right? I would hope you know that, right? You guys got it? Okay, let's do section 2 together. Let's do section 2 together, right? Now we're actually doing it. We're actually putting numbers in and we're trying to solve it, okay? So for number A, 3 miles is equal to what? How many feet? 3 miles is equal to how many feet? First thing you gotta know is, what are you gonna do? Multiply or divide? Right? What do you think? What? A Band-Aid? I do not know. I do not know. So the first step, what are you guys gonna do? Are we gonna multiply or divide this one? We're gonna multiply, right? And now we gotta figure out how many feet are in 1 mile. Okay? How many feet are in 1 mile?
15,840.
Well, how much is 1 mile though? That's 3 miles. How much is 1 mile?
5,280.
5,280 feet is in 1 mile, right? So what are we gonna do? Times 3 by 5,280. Work that out and get your answer. Okay. Yeah.
Answer by 2.
Well, how many miles are there?
3.
3. And 1 mile is 5,280. So you're going to times 5,280 by 3. Yes? Okay. Multiply, yep. Because you're going from larger to smaller. Yeah. What's the answer? Yep, you said that earlier, yeah. Yeah. 15,840, guys. 15,840. Okay? Did everyone get that? Yeah? Gianni, we good? 15,840. In math, it's one step at a time in math. If you take it one step at a time, you can solve any problem, okay? Let's go to B. 28 days is equal to how many weeks? Okay, so you going first, we got to determine what we're going to do. We're going smaller, or we're going, smaller to larger. So what are we going to do? We're going to divide, okay? First step. Now you got to figure out how many days are in a week. We should all know this. 7, right? So you're going to divide 28 by 7, and that's your answer. So you should all know that, right? What's the answer? 4, okay? Pretty simple. Let's go to C, guys. Let's go to C, okay? 4 tons is equal to how many pounds, okay? So what are we going to do? You're going from larger to smaller. What are you going to do? Yeah? You're going to multiply, okay? You're going to multiply, okay? Now, how many pounds are in a ton? 2,000, exactly. So what are you going to do? Take 2,000 and you times it by 4, and that's your answer. Anyone want to give me their answer? Yep. 8,000. 8,000 pounds is the answer. Okay. Hopefully he can hear me. I think so. Yeah, he said yep. Okay, good. Alright. D, let's go to D, guys. 5 years is equal to how many months? Okay, what are we going to do? Go ahead. We're going to multiply times. Yes, we're going to multiply. How many months are in a year? 12. So what are you going to do? 12 times 5. Okay? Yep. No. You say 16? Oh, yeah, 60. The answer is 60. 5 times 12, 60. So 5 years is equal to 60 months. Good job. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. E. Okay. 64 quarts is equal to how many pecks? 64 quarts is equal to how many pecks? Which one's bigger? Quarts or pecks? Nope. Pecks is bigger. Okay. So you're going smaller to larger, right? So what are you going to do? Divide. Exactly. Okay, how many pecks are in a quart? You guys know this? No. 8. Okay, 8. So what are you going to do? Divide 64 by 8, right? And that's your answer. You understanding it? Yeah? Yeah.
The answer is 8.
The answer is 8, yes. Okay. Let's go to F. 9 hours is equal to how many minutes? 9 hours is equal to blank minutes, okay? So what are we going to do first? Multiply. We're going to multiply, yes, okay? And how many minutes are in an hour? Go ahead. 60. So what are we going to do? 60 times 9. Yeah, 60 times 9. That's your answer after that. Someone give me their answer after they get it. 540, yeah. Yeah, 540. 9 hours is equal to 540 minutes, guys. Good. Okay. Section 3. Okay. Let's see. Section 3, work on it on your own, and then we're going to come back and we'll go over the answers, okay? Section 3. Work on Section 3. Okay? Give you guys a couple minutes to do Section 3, okay? You're circling the incorrect measures, okay? So like for A, is 1 yard equal to 1,700 feet? No, that'd be kind of weird. Okay, so you would circle that. Gianni, let me know if you have any problems or anything, and write it in the comment section so I know. You guys good? All right, we already said A was incorrect, right? So what's B? Is B incorrect or correct? Incorrect. Good. Okay, C. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
C is correct, okay? What about D? Correct or incorrect? What about D? It's correct. It's correct, okay? Number E, or E, letter E. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. It's incorrect. E is incorrect. So circle it. Okay, F. Letter F. Incorrect or correct? F is... I said F, right? Is incorrect. Incorrect. Right? They try to trick you. 1 mile, they put 1 mile is equal to 5,208 feet. But 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So they did this. Okay? But actually 1 mile is actually 280. That's the right one, okay? So circle F, that's incorrect. Okay? G, letter G. 1 peck is equal to 4 quarts. What do you guys think? Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. G is incorrect, so circle it. H, 300 centimeters is equal to 3 meters. Yep. That is correct. That is correct. I, 1 century. Anyone correct or incorrect? What is this like? Yeah? I is incorrect. I is incorrect. Because I think that's decades. J, 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Correct or incorrect? Yep. Correct. Okay. K, correct or incorrect? Incorrect. K is incorrect, so circle it. Okay. Yep. Yeah. L, letter L, incorrect or correct? Incorrect, so circle it. Okay, good job on those, guys. Good job. Okay, so for section 4, okay? Write the value of the prefix in the blanks. Do we all know our prefixes? Yeah, kilo, centi, all those? Okay. So for A, what are we going to do? Centi. What's centi? Centi is... You're going to write the value. So I need a number. Or a fraction. What is it? No. Wait, what'd you say for A?
0.1. Oh.
Nope.
1/100.
It's 1/100th or 0.01. You were close. Okay. Okay, so centi is 1/100th or 0.01. Okay. Let's go to B. What is B? Deci. Okay. 0.1 or 1/10. Yes. 0.1 or 1/10. Okay. Let's go to C. Milli. Milli. Okay.
1,000.
It's either 1/1000th or 0.001. Okay. If you don't know these, I think you should have something in the back of your book. Am I right? Yeah. In the beginning of the book. Okay. D. Kilo. Kilo. What is the value of kilo? Yeah. Yep. 1,000. 1,000. Kilo is 1,000, the value. Okay. Let's go to E. Deca. 10. Correct. E is 10. Let's go to F. Hecto. Hecto. 100. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay. And I think, let me see. Let me see. What is the homework tonight? Are your homeworks in the back of the book?
Yeah, some of them.
Okay. Alright, let's go to section 5. Let's go to section 5, right? Story problems. Who likes story problems? One person? Two people? Three? Okay, good. Alright. Let's go to A. How many bushels of seed potatoes are needed to plant 76 rows if 3 pecks are planted per row? Okay? So what are you doing here? You're going to go... It's the same thing what we were doing before. So what's 3 pecks to bushels? 3 pecks to bushels. So you got to figure out what's 1 peck to a bushel. Do you guys know that? Anyone know? 1 peck to a bushel. 1 peck to a bushel. What is it?
4.
I don't know. It's not. Nope. Wait. Hold on. 57 bushels. I think it is 4. So how many bushels would you have? Yeah?
Would you just multiply 76 times 4?
You would do 76 times 3. So you do 76 times 3. Okay, what's 76 times 3? Work it out. Work it out. What's 76 times 3? Yeah?
If you do 3 times 6, that would become 18. And then 3 times 7 is 21. So then add the 1 from the 18 and it becomes 38.
Answer is 228. It'd be 228. 228 pecks, right? 76 times 3, 228 pecks, right? But that's not the answer. It's looking for bushels, right? Looking for bushels. And we said how many bushels are in a peck? 4. So what do? You're going from smaller to bigger. So you divide. So you divide 228 by 4. 228 divided by 4. What is that? Cameron, what's that? 228 divided by 4. 57, that's the answer right there. 57 bushels, okay? How many bushels of seed potatoes are needed to plant? 76 rows if 3 pecks are planted per row. 57 bushels, okay? You gotta take it one step at a time, okay? Let's go to B. Okay? Find the cost of 18 yards of ribbon at 25 cents per foot. Find the change from a $20 bill, okay? So there's 2 steps. So find the cost of 18 yards of ribbon at 25 cents per foot. Okay? So what are you going to do? What are you going to do for B, guys? How many feet are in a yard? 3, right? Okay, so there's what? 18? There's 18 yards, okay? 18 yards, okay? How many feet are in a yard? 3, okay? So 3 feet equals 1 yard, right? So how many feet are in 18 yards? Yeah? Nope. 3 feet to 18 yards. How many feet are in 18 yards? 54, okay? So there's 54 feet here, okay? Okay? Now, what's the cost per foot? 25 cents, okay? So now what are you going to do? Okay, 25 cents. So you're going to times it right here. 54 times 25 cents. Okay? 54 times 25 cents. What is that? Work it out. 54 times 25 cents times 0.25. Yes, but you forgot to do the decimal. 0.25. 0.25, okay? So 54 times 0.25, right? Right? You got 2 decimals right here. Okay? So the cost of 18 yards is $13.50, okay? But it's not over. We have to find the change. It says find the change from a $20 bill. So now what do? We subtract. So we take $20, subtract $13.50, okay? Okay? What's your answer, everyone? $6.50, okay? Okay, so this is first answer right here, $13.50. Second answer, $6.50, okay? Everyone get that? Okay. Okay, guys, I want you to try C and D. Try C and D on your own, and we're going to go over it, okay? One step at a time. Try C and D. Okay? Try C and D. The recipe calls for 2 sweet. Everyone done? Let's do C. What'd you guys get for C? What'd you say? No. Anyone else? C is 8 tablespoons. Yeah, 8. C is 8 tablespoons. 8 tablespoons, guys. Okay. What did you guys get for D? C is 8 tablespoons for D. The Walker family uses 45 pounds of crisp rice cereal per year. How much do they save by buying the 18-ounce box for $30.50 rather than the 12-ounce box for $2.75? Okay, wow. So that's 2 steps. You got to convert that 45 times 18 ounce. You got to go pounds to ounces and convert that, the 18-ounce box and then the 12-ounce box. And then you have to take the difference. You guys get it? Anyone want to take a shot at it? Anyone want to take a shot? Yes? No? No?
45 cents.
It did not. It says $25 saved. $25 saved. Okay. They paid $140 for the 18 ounce, $165 for the 12 ounce. All right. You guys got it? With story problems, you just gotta take it one step at a time. Okay. One step at a time. Okay. Let's go to 6. Let's go to section 6. We're almost done here. Let's go to section 6. Round off the numbers, guys. This is easy, right? Okay, so the number is 97,463,835. So we're going to round off to the 1 million place, right? So what's the answer going to be? Yeah?
97 million, 97.
It's 97 million. We're going to round it off and it's going to become 97 million. That's your answer for section 6A, okay? Letter A. 97 million. Okay, everyone should be right. Make sure you write this in. Yeah.
I know the next one.
Okay, give me the next one for 10,000.
97 million,
46 460,000. Okay. You're good. Okay, so this is a number. Okay. You guys know how to round, right? Okay. $63 $835. Okay. 835. Okay. Next one, it's a 100th place, right? What's the 100th place in here? Right? Where's it at? 835, okay? Okay. So this is a 100th place right here, okay, right? This is a 1's place, 10's place, 100th place. So you're going to round it off from right here, okay? So this one for 100, it's going to become 97,463,800. Okay? 800. Okay? Let me see what time it is. Okay, I got about 9 minutes, okay? Okay, let's go through B. Let's go through B real quick, okay? These are easy, okay? You're going to round off the numbers again. 14,928,259. Okay, what is that going to become? You can say it out loud. 15 million. 15 million for B, okay? For the 10,000, for the second part on B, just say it out loud. 14,930,000. Okay, you're going to round up. It's 928, so you're going to round up. Okay? And then the last one, 100th place, 14,928,300. Okay? You're rounding up that 100th place. Okay? Work on C and D. Do those two. Okay? Gianni, we're good. If you have issues, say something in the comments so I know. These are rounding, guys. Come on, we should be able to do these pretty easy. Rounding. Yeah. Yes. Tell me, you do do C for me. 8,000,000. This is the first one. Then 8,310,000. Yeah. The last one is 8,306,700. 700. Okay. Go ahead, guys. Do letter D for number 6, and then I want you to do that little review section right there. Okay. It's just division, long division, simplifying a fraction, multiplying, subtraction. Those are easy. Okay. So I want you to do the review section for the rest of the time, and your homework is page 358. Page 358. Okay. So I'll write that on the board. Yes. Lesson 13. Page 358, lesson 13. Page 358, lesson 13. Actually, hold on. Homework. Page 358. Lesson 13. That's really bad handwriting, but it's okay. And then you do have a quiz over these measurements Thursday, okay? Thursday. Let me rewrite that, okay? Okay. Lesson 13, okay? Quiz Thursday. You guys got it? Okay. Gianni, if you have any questions, let me know, or let Mr. Larson know when he comes back. Your homework, 358, page 358, lesson 13, and you do have a quiz Thursday, okay? So I'm going to end the stream on there.